The last stage of baking is cooling. Now, this is a stage that people kind of will brush off, but it's actually really important for your bread. So cooling is actually the final stage of the baking process. It allows the last part of the steam to escape and settle in the dough. If you cut it too quickly, you're allowing all that steam that's still in there to escape very rapidly, and it actually end up making your bread dry out and stale more quickly. So if you want to save this bread and make sure it lasts and doesn't become stale too quickly or dry out, then you really want to let it cool. The minimum cooling time I recommend is 1 hour. And if you're serving this for dinner, a lot of times a bowl, if you have a big group coming over for dinner, it doesn't matter too much because it's usually going to be enjoyed at dinner and then disappear at least 30 minutes, so it's a little bit easier to cut. Because not only does it make your bread not last longer, but it actually makes it harder and more dangerous to cut because the structure hasn't set in the bread, and so it's very soft and squishy. And so if you cut it, or if you're trying to cut it with your bread knife, it can cause a little more room for error, and we definitely want to be careful when we're working with cutting our bread. So 1 hour is the minimum, but I highly recommend if this is bread that you're making for the week and you're making it for you want this bread for sandwich bread for your family for the whole week, then let it sit overnight is ideal. Bread that sits overnight is going to be much easier to cut in the morning. You can get those nice, even, thin slices of sandwich bread. So that is the best way to let it cool for bread that you want to last. One side note is if you choose to just cut into your bread and not allow it to cool very much, I do not judge you. There is room for that. It's your kitchen, it's your bread. So if you want to cut into it right away, then feel free, because I know that when you first start baking sourdough, it is so irresistible when it comes out of the oven. And it's really fun to celebrate your first bake by enjoying it. Okay, that video is about one of the most important parts of the sourdough, or most fun parts of the sourdough making process, start to finish sourdough bread. It's for my full course, Starting Sourdough from Scratch. So if you're looking to learn more about sourdough baking and need some help, check out some resources in the video description box below. And I can't wait to help you with your sourdough baking. So please subscribe and share this with another friend who might be learning to make sourdough as well.